Hello, welcome to your latest update for Scotland. Plenty of weather going on over the next 48 hours, especially so on Saturday. Wet weather for many and some strong and gusty winds. There are warnings in force, so really make the most of the rest of today because generally it's a fine Friday, dry and bright with hazy sunshine. The wind's quite light as well. Temperatures struggling to get much above freezing across parts of the northeast. Elsewhere, as the breeze picks up in the west, the sunshine turns rather hazy. Well, we could see temperatures getting to 5 or 6 degrees later on, but the rain is starting to push its way into the Western Isles by the end of the afternoon. Otherwise, it is dry and bright. But the rain doesn't stop over the Western Isles. It continues to move in, and it's going to be pretty stubborn across the west through the night and well into Saturday. And it's fairly heavy rain also, especially over hills and mountains. The southern uplands, the Trossachs in particular, seeing a lot of wet weather overnight. The northeast seeing a bit of shelter, and after a cold day here, temperatures will actually rise steadily through the evening and overnight, and for most places it's a pretty mild night. We may start Saturday in double digits in some spots, but it will be windy. Those winds picking up overnight and especially gusty on Saturday morning, in particular across parts of the southeast. So it's here where we have a wind warning in force. Higher routes likely to see gusts of 50, 60, 70 miles an hour. And gusts, even at lower levels, could cause some problems, particularly on roads like the A1, especially for high-sided vehicles. So there is a warning in force for those gusty conditions across the southeast. Further west, but also including the borders, there are warnings in force for the rain. And again, particularly over hills, 60, 80, some places may see 100 millimetres of rain by the time this wet weather clears through later on Saturday. And that could cause some flooding problems and, again, the potential for disruption to transport. So wet and windy basically sums up Saturday morning, but quite quickly the rain will be ebbing away from the Western Isles, clearing away from the Highlands and the Northern Isles too, but lingering across the south into the afternoon. Even here, though, it might turn a bit drier by the end of the day. Following on will be colder air and quite a few showers as well, but the winds will steadily be easing after they peak probably in the morning across the southeast. Temperature-wise, well, quite mild to start the day, and for a time we could get into the teens across the Moray Firth. But as this rain clears away, it introduces colder air, so temperatures dropping quite sharply once again through the evening, and that'll lead into a chilly start to Sunday. And yes, the showers as we go through Saturday evening turning increasingly wintry over hills initially, but by the time we get to Sunday morning, particularly across the northwest, we could start to see hail and sleet showers down to relatively low levels. So yes, Sunday should be a brighter day. Lighter winds, but still a cold wind blowing with temperatures only 4 or 5 degrees Celsius. Those winds will bring showers in across the north and the west. Snow over hills, particularly across the northwest, and even down to low levels here. There could be some sleet and hail at times. So as I said, plenty going on this weekend. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest warnings by downloading our app or visiting our website. Full UK forecast also available on the app. And there's always more, the latest updates on Twitter and Facebook.